Hello everyone, so we are back doing a 10 bonus challenge. This time it's on Bigger Bass Blizzard Christmas Catch. So we will be doing 10 bonuses in this video, not all at once because it's pretty hard to get 10 on the bounce, isn't it? So it'll be all different little sessions back and forth, right? But they'll all be at 24 pence. It's normally 20 pence I do, but as you know, on the Blizzards they go up in 12s now. So we won't do the 12, we'll do the 24. Without any extra bet chances on, okay? So let's see how this one goes now. So as you can see, look, we're only £3.36 down to get this bonus. So, come on, Snowberry. It's a really unimaginative name, this one. Oh, there's a £12 there. Come on now, don't be rubbish for the first bonus. Story of my life, guys. He's back. Doesn't look promising to get to the double money, does it? Oh, it's gonna come down to potentially the last spin. You watch now. 480 there. Come on in, Barry. Yes, whew, we made it. Okay. Come on then, last spin now. And let's see some double money spins. Come on then. All on UK casinos, guys. These are okay, and obviously no demo modes. Right. Come on, Barry. Oh, is he coming back though? That's the question. Ah. Oh no, the double money's not gone well. Oh, he's made it. It's £8.16. That's not bad, really, is it? Well, we've got a nice profit for this session, anyway. Oh, he's back again. 3 spins and we need 2 Barrys. Is it possible? I don't know, you know. Oh my gosh. Who knows? Hang on now. Hang about. £9.12. Got 2 spins, guys. Can we do it? We're up to £28. Come on, please. Come on, Barry. Now, come in. Oh, the monkey. He's a monkey. Oh, gosh. I was going to be excited about it. Right, anyway. So, Blizzard, first bonus is £28.08. Okay. Right, it's taking a while to get bonus number 2. So let's hope it's a good one, please. We're down 168 for this session, but I've been back and forth trying the odd few quid here and there. Anyway, here we go then. 1080, that's not a bad little hit. Fair play. Keep on coming now. Okay, we'll take the little ones for now. Let's just try and get up to double money, please. Come on, Barry. Skiing Barry. What do we call him? Snow Barry. Oh, no. Is that going to be it? It is, you know. Oh, look. We just needed another one during those spins and we would have made it. Okay, well, there we are then. Bonus number 2 is £15.24. Okay, bonus number 3. This has taken a while to get, I gotta be honest. This session, I haven't been on it very long, as you can see, but yeah, I've been back and forth a few times and not got a bonus. So, come on then. Blizzard, what have you got for us? Where is Barry? Oh dear. There he is. This isn't looking very promising then, is it? Oh gosh. Gotta come in. Okay. Can't see this getting to double figures, you know? Double money time. Nope, that's it. Dear me. Right, bonus number 3. £8 and 4 pence. Bonus number 4. Let's go. This is taking quite a while to get each little session I do on this, to be honest. Only just come back on it now, but where's Barry? Yeah, I've been back and forth a few times. Same story with most of these, gotta be honest. So yeah, it owes us a tidy win at some point, hopefully. Out of the remaining spins, we can get a nice bonus. This doesn't look like it's going to be. Is it? Oh, he's going to tuck us up again. Will not get there, look. Doesn't want even the 2x. Wow. Bonus number 4. Another disappointing £5.4. Bonus number 5. Nice early Barry, that's what we want to see. What was our last bonus? £5 something, was it? Oh dear. It's taking a while to get this again. Oh, there we go. We got it this time. Oh, double Barrys. We've got double money at last. Awesome, right. Come on now then. Don't waste these now. Come on in again. Oh dear. Come on, Barry. No, he wasted our little advantage we had there of spins. Dear me. Right, double money time. Is he going to do anything tidy? Oh, he's coming up on a hook. Bring a fish with you as well. No, he didn't. Never mind. 10.56. We will take anything right now. Come on. Puts us in a little bit of profit for this session. Oh, we really need to see him. Oh, and as I said, he's on another hook. Come on, bring a fish. Oh, 3 little tiddlers. Come on then. Can we get another 2? 6 spins, Barry, come on. Oh, that would have been beautiful. Yikes, I don't think so. Oh. Nah, we've had it. Oh, Barry, man. Right, okay. Bonus number... What are we on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bonus number 5. 17.76. Okay, it's bonus number 6 then. Come on. Is this ever going to give us anything nice? Oh, that's not a bad catch there, actually. I've actually just come back on this, as you can see, by the time and the net position. 12.48. I've had a few sessions on it to try and get a bonus, but nothing, so I left it. I tend to go back, because I do a few of these 10 bonus hunts at one time. Try and do about 5 slots at the same time, so I think so. I just go back through them all then. I'll give them so much money, so many spins, leave it, go back. Right, come on. One more, please. Let's get to double money. Oh, no. Oh, God. Right, okay, bonus number 6 is 16.68. Bonus number 7. Come on then. We are due a monster on this, surely, aren't we? Come on. We're down 456 for this particular session, but as always, I'm back and forth quite often trying to get a bonus. So, yeah, here he is. He owes me a tidy one now, guys. So, fingers crossed. Be happy to get to 2x, to be honest, for now. Oh, Barry, come on. Ugh, and this is where it all goes wrong again, isn't it? Oh. Yeah, game over again. Wow. Bonus number 7, £7.56. Well, look at that, straight back in, guys. Next spin, you came back. Is it good sign or bad? We shall see. Come on, bonus 8. What have you got for us? Oh, Barry. Can't tell yet. £6 there. Right, now I'm thinking it's a rubbish one again. Okay, it's better. Please come on in. Let's get to the double money, please. Oh my gosh. There we go. Bonus number 8. Back-to-back bonuses. £14.88. Right, we've stuck at it. Look, bonus number 9. It's all the same session. Literally another 3 or 4 spins later. You'd think he'd want to go nuts at this point then. There he is. Oh, he's caught a £12 fish. Nice one, Barry. That's much better. I don't know if that's a bad thing now, though, to have a nice win early on. Oh. 3 bonuses. All 3 not going to get to double money, potentially. Don't know. Come on, Barry. 2 more. Oh. They just die, don't they? From there, they die. Like, we get 2 and that's it. Game over. Again. Oh, gosh. Wow. This slot, what is it doing? Right. Bonus number 9. £21. And then we have it. Bonus number 10. So in this one session, look, we've had 7, 8, 9 and 10. All 4 bonuses to finish this video. We're still up £31.08 for this particular session. So let's crack on with the last. If it's anything like the others, we won't get very far. Oh, well, crazy, innit? Crazy bonuses that haven't made it to 2x even. Disappointing. I'd rather see Barry come in without any fish for a couple of spins. Try and get us up to the double money. Oh my gosh, this could be it already now. Oh, it's a whale. Oh, it's caught a £6. That's finished off this bonus, no doubt. Well, we're going to end up £40 up for this final session. Oh, it's not over yet, you know. 2 spins, guys. Cross everything you've got that we get to double money. We need 1 more, please. Oh, gosh. Yes! At last. God, blimey. It's been a bit cruel as Snow Barry. Right, 1896. come on. Not that hopeful for much to happen now, but come on. Prove me wrong. Oh dear. Oh, all 48 pence fish. Barry, give me as little as you possibly could, isn't it? Cheers. And we'll take it. We'll take anything now. Oh, he's back in. Oh, if that was there, look, that would be a win line as well, I think. Another tenner. Oh, we need another 2. Is it possible? No, it's not. Well, okay then. Thanks anyway. Right, bonus number 10, the last one, so I can leave this alone now at last. 4 bonuses on the trot there, guys. Gives us a profit this session, look, of £65 actually. So, but anyway, we do a recap as we always do. I won't say the pence, but the pounds then for the bonuses. Number 1 was 28. Then we had a 15, 8, 5, 17, 16, 7, 14, 21 and 34. Overall, I'm probably still down. Not a great deal, but we are down on it. Yeah. It probably wants to start paying out now, to be fair, so but we finished this video. I might have the odd little try on it again. So that's 10 bonus rounds in on Bigger Bass Blizzard. Hope you enjoyed that. Good luck to you if you have a go on this. And as you can see, we do all different kinds of stakes and slots. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Thanks guys, I'll see you for the next one. Bye for now.